Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object-oriented programming series, and the topic: understand where an object's prototype comes from. Just like people inherit genes from their parent, an object inherits a prototype directly from the constructor function that created it. For example, here the bird constructor creates the duck object. This is a bird constructor, and we create duck object based on the bird constructor by passing values. Duck inherits its prototype from the bird constructor function. You can show this relationship with the each prototype of method. Means if we use bird.prototype.each prototype of and pass in duck, then it will return true. Use task for this challenge. Use each prototype of to check the prototype of beagle. In this case, dog dot prototype dot each prototype of beagle. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.